Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video, and it's probably official. The heart that run the beast, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, is finally official. And yes, it's not called as Snapdragon 875. They actually jumped a few numbers and called it at Snapdragon 888. So guys, obviously this is a new chipset and it's going to be rocking in the next year 2021 flagship level devices coming from different companies like Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus. But most importantly, it is going to be available for the Samsung, and probably the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is going to be the first device that is coming with that processor. The US, China, South Korea and Canada are going to be rocking with a Snapdragon 888 processor inside, and with that the international market is going to be coming with the Samsung in-house chipset, the Exynos 2100, which is yet to be official. So now this is a new chipset, and we know that whenever a new chipset arrives, there is going to be some improvements. One of the most notable improvement which I personally think is going to be coming inside this processor is going to be the integration of 5G 5nm inside that processor. This is going to be the very first processor that is coming with a 5nm built-in integrated 5G capabilities. This will not only help out in order to improve the speeds of the 5G, but also it will help out in order to save the battery capacity. Other than that, we have a new 6th generation hexagon processor, a 35% faster Adreno graphic card, a 35% faster image processing as compared to the 865, and a new camera improvement with a triple ISP which allow you to proceed simultaneously 120 pictures per second at 12 million pixels. The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G render images has been surfaced online courtesy to a new leak that has been published online. And wow, if you look at that device for the first time, you will notice that the design is very interesting. The A32 5G is going to be more affordable 5G phone from Samsung, as 5G is going to be enhancing and providing an affordable 5G will give Samsung great edge on its competitor. On the back of the device, we have seen a quad camera setup on the back side, and these camera sensors on the back side are coming with a color coordinated camera ring on the back side. Although we don't know about the exact spec sheet of the camera sensor, but according to rumors, we are going to see 48 megapixel are going to be the main camera. The other camera is going to be an ultra wide camera sensor, and the last camera is going to be either macro or depth sensor as well. On the right side of the device, we have volume up and down and power button, and with the bottom we will also see that there is going to be a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C port and a noise cancellation mic, and in last we have a speaker grill. The back is made up of plastic, and obviously this is going to be happening because this is going to be an affordable device, so we can't expect the glass to be present in an affordable A series devices. The front of the device is going to be coming with an old school design. It's coming with a water drop notch with a thick bezels around the sides, and on the bottom we have a fairly larger chin. The screen size is expected to coming with a 6.5 inch, and it's going to be a V design screen. Obviously we don't know about the internals of the device yet, and maybe in the future we can expect that this device is going to be coming with a decent kind of mid-range category processor inside. So guys, these are some of the information that has been surfaced online, and if you wanted to have a daily tech news, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.